place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelly's Homestead Hideaway.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway, and today I am bringing you along for this really short video where I'm going to show you my hydroponic units just before I leave for vacation. Okay, you guys are used to seeing unit number 1 over where unit number 5 is. I actually moved them around today. And the one unit that you are not currently seeing is unit number 4, which is the Homestead crew. I moved that unit to I brought in my little greenhouse that I had sitting out in the garage. It's been put together and sitting out there for a while, and I finally made it fit in this space. And so because I'm leaving for vacation and doing some rearranging so that hopefully when I come back in a week, my plants will be doing good, because I'm going to have to depend on my son to take care of them. I did take some amaranth spinach off this morning and accidentally broke this stem, but that's okay. We're going to see what happens. It has gotten so tall. So I'm going to make sure this is it. Well, I'm going to make sure everything is full and add nutrition today. And then that way it won't need nutrition during the week. All it will need is watering. I broke the leaves on my kohlrabi. It's still getting bigger. I'm not sure what's going on with this one. This one doesn't seem to be thriving. It may not survive. It may not survive. Anywho, so that's unit number 4, the Homestead crew. And then unit number 5, you guys know, is the AeroGarden Bounty. I have not given it a name yet. I feel like I had a name for it, and because I didn't start it right away, I don't remember what I was going to name it. Or maybe I hadn't come up with a name yet. It will get a name soon. But I want to give you guys a quick peek because I have not been able to do a live this week for the series. This is what everything is looking like the day that I leave for vacation. Unit number 2, I have harvested most of the lettuce. Actually, I may take a few more pieces off of this red outrageous over here. Take some of the basil off. Yeah, let me just go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to take these pieces out on the outermost sides that are the oldest. I'm going to leave that in the middle there. This is actually 2 plants. There's one here and one here. And then I'm going to leave that one. The basil, I'm going to go ahead and take most of this off. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this basil off here so that you guys can see what it looks like when I leave for vacation, and then we will do another video when I come back. Oh, that's a big thick stem there. So I'm taking all of the biggest pieces off. Look at that massive leaf. Basil, lettuce leaf. I love this basil. This may become one of my favorites. I actually take it and put it in my salad greens as well. It's not super pungent. This is another big one here. So we're going to take this one off. Leave the little baby that's sprouting out there. Actually, I'm going to take this as well. I'm going to leave that one. And these down here, let me take some of these as well. Y'all already know it smells amazing. Okay. Then I still have the 1 Grand Rapids lettuce. I need to take this out and put a cover on it. This one did not thrive at all. So I'm going to put a cover on that one before I leave. Let me show you guys, see if you can see. This is actually saying that I need to add plant food, which I'm going to do today. And the same thing over here, add plant food. These are the cucumbers. I added a 3rd support bracket. So that was the main reason why I moved it from over there to over here, because it needed more space. And as you can see, it is already taller than that, but it's just going to have to start flowing down because that is as tall as that light will get. I'm also going to take this cucumber here, believe she's ready, and to leave it on another week won't be the best option. Let's see, I need my snips to get that one off. I'll take this with us on our vacation. Cutting with purpose. Since I tried to pinch it, it was a little harder to cut. And I also think I should take this one as well. Let me see where that's going to. One-handed right now. All right, we're going to take her off. She's going to drop. And I will pick her up. She fell down here. All right. So the rest of them, these will be fine to leave another week. Lots more babies growing. And then I already showed you guys that. Down below, we have the flowers. They need to be up potted at this point, but they're going to have to wait as well. And as you can see, that light is flashing for food. All of these units are going to get fed today. So this is what everything is looking like on Sunday, February the 22nd.
This is the place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelly's Homestead Hideaway, where every season has something to say. Plant a seed, let your worries fade. This garden life, handmade it.
I'm going to add a little extra nutrient to this because it was already mostly full. So partial dose I'm adding to that.